guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Most of us know that mayonnaise is made from raw egg yolks. But did you also know that it is also made from whole raw eggs? Now, I'll not discuss the safety of eating raw eggs here. You can Google it up if you're interested. Mayonnaise made from whole raw eggs is new to me as well. So today I have brought to you both these mayo versions and also my choice from the two of them. Also, I will show you how to make mayo with a blender and a mixer grinder. So let's get started. First, we will make the egg yolk only mayo. For this, put the egg yolk in a bowl. Add the mustard and vinegar. The two helps in emulsification. I am using an immersion blender here. You could also use a whisk or a hand blender. But I have tried neither of them, to be honest. All I know is the immersion blender is best for the job. So on a low speed, start mixing all the items. Once combined, add the oil little at a time in a thin stream and blend on a low to medium speed. It is important to add oil very little at a time and in a thin stream, otherwise the whole mixture will split. Also, before we add more oil, we should ensure all the previously added oil has combined well with the egg yolk mixture. Make sure to scrape down the sides of your bowl so that we don't leave out the oil on the edges. Repeat the process until we have added all the oil. Do this on a low to medium speed. You can see how it thickens at every addition of oil. Our mayo is almost done here. It has reached the desired texture and thickness. Now we will add in the seasoning, sugar, salt, and if preferred a pinch of pepper powder. Blend it one last time and our mayo is ready. I am not exaggerating, but it definitely tastes better than the store-bought ones that I have tried. Put it in an airtight container and refrigerate it. It should stay good for 2 to 3 weeks. Moving on to the whole egg mayo and making it in a mixer grinder. The whole egg mayo takes more oil than the previous one for obvious reasons. The egg quantity is more. So add the whole egg, mustard and vinegar. Since the mixer grinder is much faster, we can add the oil in 4 to 5 batches. So add a quarter of the oil, put the lid on and blend for 20 to 30 seconds. See, it has already started thickening. Now again add another quarter of the oil and blend. Repeat until we have added in all the oil. You can see we have got a mayo consistency. So now we'll add our seasoning like before, salt, sugar and pepper powder if desired, and blend it one last time. This is done too. Now as we can see, both have a good texture and thickness. As for the taste, I feel the whole egg mayo has a funny aftertaste which I don't like. The yolk only mayo has a much richer taste, while the whole egg mayo seems to lack this because of the addition of egg whites. So I would definitely go with the yolk only mayo, maybe because I'm more used to its taste. Hope this video was useful, and I hope you do give this a try, whichever mayo it is, and let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.